Coffee in a paper cup, name spelled wrong, but I hold it up. Little plastic car says I'm legit. Still laughing at the way I almost quit. Went through the open glass, fresh paint smell from the parking pass. Took my time just to cross that line. Now this little piece of plastic feels like a sign. I got the keys to the morning. Click, turn, and engine comes alive. Don't know why I waited so long, but I'm finally in the driver's side. I got the keys to my story. White lines writing at the start. Every green light feels like glory, and I can't wait to go, 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 go. With the whole wide road in my heart. My old jacket on the back seat, playlist of the songs I kept on repeat. Left turn out where I used to ride. In the rear view, that old bus now. Sunset and dinner on a hill, windows down, taking in the chill. Every corner that I used to fear looks small in the side mirror from here. I got the keys to the morning. Click, turn, engine comes alive. Don't know why I waited so long, but I'm finally in the driver's side. I got the keys to my story. White lines writing out the start. Every green light feels like glory,